In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a reCAPTCHA to your Contact Form 7 form. Let's get started. So once you are done creating your contact form just like this, the next thing you have to do is simply go back to your dashboard, and in your dashboard, come over here to your contact form option or menu item, which is the one for the Contact Form 7. Click on integration. This is going to take you straight to this page right here, and then you're going to click on this link or simply here to get started. To get these two things, the side key and the secret key, we are going to click on this URL and it will take us to a page on Google, and right here it will require you to sign in and then start setting up your reCAPTCHA. So in this case, I'm going to simply go here to the admin console, and automatically I'm signed in because I have my Gmail account signed in. And then here I'll add the domain name that I want to provide a reCAPTCHA to. So I'll simply copy this domain name here, come over here and I add the domain name. And then the version of the reCAPTCHA that you want, in this case we want version 3 or v3. I'll simply add my domain and then I accept the terms and submit. Once I submit, boom, automatically we are given our site key and the copy of the site secret. So I'm going to copy this, the site key, come over here to our contact form, paste the site key, and come back here to the reCAPTCHA page, copy the site secret key and paste it right here. Then you simply hit save changes and boom, you are done. So when we come back here to our page, basically our contact form, we reload this form, then you realize we have this invisible reCAPTCHA form right here added to our page. So by adding this reCAPTCHA form to your contact form, it will protect you against spam and other types of automated abuse. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.